Scott's EZseed Centipede, 3-in-1 mulch, fertilizer, and seed, all in one. It comes in a tub. You sprinkle it out, add water, and it's supposed to grow grass. In 21 days, it's supposed to go from dirt to this. Well, it's now almost 2 months later, and I do have some centipede, some EZseed Centipede, but if I pan back here, you can see that, well, it just didn't do everything that I had hoped it would do. I started out with this, and this is 2 months later. See, it's mostly just dirt. You can see the mulch here. That was the last coating, the extra bag, but if I dig down you can see that's dirt, but no grass. There is grass here, and I diligently weeded this because weeds, well, you can see my natural weedy grasses starting to encroach. I had to hand weed this religiously, and I made some shorts on this. I made where I started out freshly spread seed, then at 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days. And again, according to Scott's EZseed documentation, it was supposed to look kind of like this, but instead it looked like this at 21. I went straight past 30 days still watering, and then I finally just quit watering and let nature have its course. And look at that creeping Charlie growing fine. Just not a lot, but I have a theory why I only have grass on 2 of the 4 sides. The thickest grass is back here, the thinnest here. Well, when I started spreading the EZseed, I started here on this side, on this corner, and again, all of this would have grown up with just natural grass, which I should have just let, or my natural weeds, which I should have just let fill this in. But I think over the course of them manufacturing this, it's shipping, that the seed settles low in the container. Because remember, it's a 3-in-1. It's a fertilizer, or it's a mulch. It's a fertilizer, and then it's the seed. I think the seed settled at the bottom because I started here, spreading here. I worked my way around. And if you look, you can start seeing little grasses. And a little more, a little more, a little more. And then it gets thicker and thicker to back there, but it's still not. It doesn't look like this. It's still kind of thin. But I think that's why I don't have EZseed here, or have my centipede growing here, because I think I started out with mostly, you can kind of still see it. That little mulch, actually that's dirt, but I could see it, the brown, here you go, here's some. This original brown mulch. See the lighter color. That original brown mulch was here, and then I could start seeing the little white dots, which was the fertilizer. Then finally, I never saw it, but I think the seed. So yeah, unimpressed. I just thought I would follow up. Not worth the money in my opinion. I mean, look at this. I'm getting all in the shadows, but you can still see that original mulch. Again, I worked from that side and around, so there you go. Scott's EZseed Centipede 2 months later. And also want to note, this was in prime growing weather for this. Not too hot, not too, definitely not too cool, but not too hot for this. And I'm in the centipede growing zone in Northwest Alabama. So there you go. My take on Scott's EZseed Centipede 3-in-1 mix.